Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and today we're doing an update on the progress at the Sophus house project. Um, and I'm down in the basement today where we've managed to get all the walls insulated, which is a good thing because we've got the radiant heat in our floor, concrete floor, has been turned on, and it's doing a remarkably good job of keeping the cold out, shall we say. Um, Here on the sawhorses, we have a bunch of steel reinforcing rod that we're cutting up to use for the balusters in our stairway. And I'll show you that here in a minute. We haven't gotten the downstairs ones started yet because I'm actually leaving on vacation for a few days, and I wanted to do these areas up here. So this is what the balusters look like, and I think we're gonna stain the stairs a pretty light color so it stands out and it's a little different from the logs. Up here we've started to tape the ceiling, which we want to get done. We want to get it taped and painted so that we can put the rafters up. We've got some leftover timbers from my grandpa's cabin that we're going to put up here 4 feet on center to simulate the rafters. And anyhow, here's another shot of the railing up on top here. And Josh is doing some chinking over here. Want to give us a chinking demonstration? Okay, all right. Well, I'll find one of the other chinkers. And anyhow, we're also getting plumbing going. The drains have been installed, and we'll get all that in, and then we'll start working on the supplies. Well, I guess this drain isn't done yet, but anyway. River, come on. So over here we can see Kevin is doing his chinking. He's applied it with this chink pump that we've got hooked up here, and he's just using a foam brush to brush it and get rid of the trowel marks on it. So anyhow, the kitchen's almost done. Carlos, we're doing a video here to show your chinking skills. Really ought to use them wider brushes because we're going to have all the little ones wore out, and you're only going to have big ones left.
Oh, no, right.
Yeah. Over here, Tyler's putting in some backer foam. We've got fiberglass well, there's foam like this on the outside, then there's fiberglass in the inside, and now we're putting more foam on the inside before we put the chinking in place. And we're using the tape here so that we can get a nice crisp straight chinking lines. Otherwise, they do not come out looking this well. So anyhow, the plumber wanted to drill a hole through the beam over on this side for the big 4-inch line, and I told him no. 2 inches is the biggest I'm gonna let him put a hole in for it. So we're gonna have to put a soffit around that and close that, and we'll probably have to put some heat ducts up there anyway. So it's all good. We'll have to enclose both of them with the same chase. So anyway, that's about it. Back here, we're working on some window trim and insulating around some of the windows. Eric had to pull out some of the insulation here because it was kind of overdone. Well, yeah, you can see here it's still got a little bit too much insulation back there, so we're gonna pull it out and pack it in there a little lighter, shall we say. Anyhow, this side is pretty much all done except the bottom course, which we're saving for the electrician to put some wires in. And after that, this end of the building, the bedrooms, and we'll be done. So anyhow, that's where we're at. I don't think we've done a heck of a lot outside, so I'm not going out there. Hey, thanks for watching, folks, and we'll see you next week.